So first question is which of the following region is considered as a biodiversity hotspot in India? Who popularized the terms biodiversities? Your right answer is options A, Edward Wilson. Next, the most important cause of biodiversity loss is. Your right answer is options B, habitat loss and fragmentations. Next question is which of the following is not a type of biodiversity? Your right answer is options D, morphological diversities. Next question, the Amazon rainforest is referred to as. Your right answer is option A, lung of the planet. Next question is which region is considered the maximum repositories of the terrestrial biodiversities? Your right answer is option C, tropical rainforest. Next question, what percentage of world as species are found in India? Your right answer is options B, 8.1%. Next question is the IUN red list is published by. Your right answer is option D, IUCN. Next question is the concept of species or relationship was given by. Your right answer is options B, Alexander von Humboldt. Next question is the scarce grouse are conserved in the which Indian state? Your right answer is option C, Meghalaya, Kerala and Maharashtra. Next question is which of the following show maximum genetic diversity in India? Your right answer is options B, rice. Next question is which of the following is the measure of alpha diversity? Your right answer is option B, within community diversities. Next question, what is the full form of IUCN? Your right answer is option A, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Next question, the Earth Summit to 1992 was held in. Your right answer is option A, Brazil. Next question, which of the following is ensured conservation method? Your right answer is option C, National Park. Next question, how many biodiversity hotspots are there in India? Your right answer is option C, 4. Next question, which species is the most vulnerable to the extinction? Your right answer is option B, species with narrow geographical range. Next question, cryopreservation is a method of. Your right answer is options B, acute conservation. Next question is which biodiversity level include variations within the same species? Your right answer is option C, genetic diversities. Next questions, which of the following is not a cause of biodiversity loss? Your right answer is option C, afforestation. Next question is the species are relationship following which type of curve? Your right answer is options B, logarithmic. Next, which of the following is mega diversity country? Your right answer is options B, India. Next questions, what does that red data book contain? Your right answer is option C, list of endangered species. Next, host spots are characterized by. Your right answer is the option C, high species richness and enemies. Next question is the which national park is famous for conserving one-horned rhinoceros? Your right answer is Kaziranga. Next, extensions of a species in chain due to loss of one key species is called. Your right answer is the option C, co-extension. Next question is the which of these is not an acute method of conservation? Your right answer is the option C, skid cow. Next, what percentage of all recorded species are animal? Your right answer is the option C, more than 70%. Next questions, which group has the highest number of recorded species? Your right answer is the option C, insect. Next, which of the following is not under in-situ conservations? Your right answer is the option B, zoological park. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet you next video.